A very good day to all students and educators. As President of the University of Perpetual Help System Delta, it is my distinct honor and pleasure to warmly welcome everyone to the 2026 Regional Schools Press Conference. This exciting event will take place from March 9 to 14, 2026, right here at our Las Piñas campus. This year's theme, Truth in the Digital Age, Empowering Student Voices Through Responsible Journalism, reminds us all of the vital responsibility and influence you carry in shaping the future of media and communication. Together, we will explore how truth and integrity remain pillars of credibility and responsibility in our fast-changing digital world. I encourage you to take full advantage of this week filled with learning, growth, and meaningful dialogue. Let us empower our student journalists to become responsible storytellers who can make a positive difference in society. Once again, a warm welcome. We are truly honored to have you. On behalf of the university leadership, I wish you a productive, inspiring, and successful conference. See you there!